Welcome back to yet another tutorial. On this video, we are going to cover as to how to allow a guest speaker into your Zoom meeting with authenticated users turned on. Now, it's important to note that all of the previous steps with your account configuration must be done before this step is completed. If you have not yet done so, please watch my tutorial and configure your account. I will paste a link to the video in the description down below. Now, it's important to realize that we won't be able to allow all guest users. If somebody's on a personal account using a personal domain, much like Hotmail, Yahoo, or Gmail, we will not be able to allow them into our domain. But if you do have an outside guest coming from a reputable organization, like say a speaker from Google or maybe somebody from Stanford, we will be able to allow to whitelist their domains. Whereas if they are using a Zoom account that is utilizing their domain's email, they'll be able to access your account. So let's just jump into it. First, select sign in. As always, we're going to scroll down and we're going to sign in with Google. By default, my meetings pane is going to come up, and I'm going to go ahead and go to a meeting that's currently ongoing, and I'm going to edit that meeting. Scroll down to meeting options. Now, under meeting options, you can see that I've already limited this meeting to authenticated users. That's good. That's what we want to do. And below that, we'll see that there's a list of domains that I currently allow to have access to this meeting. Now, I'm going to go ahead and edit that list. And we're going to use a comma and then enter in the domain name. So for example, let's say you have a guest speaker coming from Google, google.com, comma, and you have somebody coming in from Stanford. .edu, I believe. And that's it. So now I have my two guest speakers coming into the class, and as long as they're utilizing a Zoom account that's associated with an @google.com account or an @stanford.edu account, they will be able to access my meeting space. And it will still limit the majority of the outside world from accessing it as well. We're going to go ahead and hit save, and you can see that the list of domains that can access my account have been expanded. And now those users will be able to access my meeting. That's it for this tutorial. I hope it was helpful, and I will see you on the next one.